Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I hope you are doing good in your life and your preparation is going very good. So today at our channel we came up with some important general awareness questions for DSSB exams. Uh, I hope you are doing you are also preparing in this particular section because it is also important in every aspect of DSSB. So PGT, TGT and PRT having 20 marks questions in every exam. So we have collated some important questions from all around the world for in context with general awareness. So let's get started with the question number 1. India has signed a 3-year work program with which country for cooperation in agriculture? So please put your answers in the comment section. So if you know the answer, so the correct answer is Israel. So India has signed a 3-year work program with Israel in agriculture field. With which Indian state is a top recipient of FDI equity inflows during 2021? So the correct answer is Gujarat. You know, Gujarat is Gujarat people are quite great in doing business. So they have are good FDI is equity flow. FDI you all know for indirect investment. Question number 3. Which country topped the list of investor countries in India in 2021? Question is, country tops the list of investor countries. So the correct answer is Singapore. You know, now today also lots of people want to migrate to Singapore. So it's a very good city. It's a very good country, I will say. The correct answer is Singapore. Which institution can sanction the amalgamation of district central cooperative banks DCCB with state cooperative banks? So the correct answer is RBI. With respect to every bank coalition amalgamation, all looks by the RBI. Okay, so the next question is, CPC is the flagship project of which global initiative? I think you must heard about CPEC many times when it comes to China and Pakistan and India. So what is the correct answer for this, guys? So the correct answer is Belt and Road Initiative. They are preparing a road which all over the Asia, which can cover the Asia for the purpose of business and connectivity purpose. So CPC is mainly for the Belt and Road Initiative. The correct answer is B. Next question. The Union Cabinet has approved the agreement on custom cooperation with which country? So the correct answer is UK, United Kingdom. So they had put an agreement on custom field. Okay, so the correct answer is A. Which central sector scheme has been launched on the National Panchayat Day 2021? So the correct answer is Samyutta scheme. So in which what is the scheme? Anyone aware of it? Samyutta scheme is a scheme in which the property holder in Lal Dora, which is in village, they will get a card like a ID with respect to that property ID, which is known as property ID. So they have a registry also. Earlier they have only an agreement if you want to sell or if you want to purchase. In the Lal Dora scheme in villages. Okay, so the correct answer is B. Recently, who launched Antyodaya Parivar Uttan Yojana? UP, Punjab or Haryana? So the correct answer is C, Haryana. Okay, moving to next question. India's first electric vehicle lithium battery plant will set up in which state? So the correct answer is A, Karnataka. They are preparing a lithium battery plant over there. As you know, in automobiles mainly today we have with the increase in the prices of fuels and the petrol and all, so many automakers come up with the battery segments. So definitely the demand will be going in the future. The correct answer is A. Which state has won the E-Panchayat Award 2021? E-Panchayat Award has been gone to Uttar Pradesh. So the correct answer is A, because they, if we compare to the past panchayats and all, definitely Uttar Pradesh crime and all these things, definitely they are doing good. So digitalization, this award is mainly in the digitalization field. Definitely if we compare with our Delhi surrounding villages to the UP, they are definitely far behind, but now with all the equipment, so they are comparable. So the correct answer is A. So this is just a quick a test challenge to just to test your knowledge, or you can say test your preparation. So if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. We will come up with more such small part which which we can correlate, and you can test your preparation through this. So thank you guys.